Hello traders, welcome to my forecast on the 17th of July. As always, we'll look at key areas of market structure and high probability areas of interest. So we get straight into it on the EURUSD. We can see that the daily swing structure is bullish and we've mitigated this weekly supply that's causing us to have a daily pullback. We do have this area of demand which we can reach, and yeah, that's all we're looking at on this, to be honest. We can see that yesterday we had a huge outside candle breaking the highs and the lows of the previous day and then closing in. So if we look on the 4 hour, we can see that the swing structure is bullish and the internal structure is bearish. We can see that very clearly yesterday. We had this news candle. That was the CPI news, came in lower than expected. So that caused big waves in all the USD pairs yesterday. So with the internal being bearish, we did have this demand zone here yesterday that was taken out in that news candle. So with that being the case, the next level of demand to reach for is this extreme demand. And then we need to see how we react in here. This could be the catalyst that will end this 4 hour pullback, and then we can look for some bullish order flow. If we look on the 1 hour, we can see that this news was very volatile yesterday and caused lots of movement. So to be honest, when I see a candle like this, I don't really want to be trading inside this zone. So until we break the high or the low of this, then I'm just not going to be trading. If we do break out the bottom of this, then we could potentially look to get in trades as we approach this demand level, but we don't really want to be selling at this area. So to be honest, probably just going to be waiting for a strong shift in this zone and then looking to enter on the fresh supply. If we look on the pound dollar, we can see that the swing structure is bullish, and yesterday we came down and we wicked below this strong swing low, so couldn't close below, but we did tap below it for a wee second. So we just go onto the 4 hour straight away. Again, we can see that we tapped below this 4 hour low. Yeah, breaking this level of demand. So it's quite likely that this is going to get run through. There's no demand that's going to give us any support now. So quite likely that we'll break these lows. And if we go onto the 1 hour, again, we can see that this news candle caused huge volatility yesterday. Don't want to be trading until we get past this zone. But if we do break below here, then we've not got many targets at the moment on the 4 hour. To go back to the 4 hour, we do have this level of demand here, which we are currently in, which has already been mitigated and was used to break the high. So we could pull back deeper in here, mitigate another level, and then we have the zone up here and another zone. So if these are zones which you can see reaction from, this is not a very good one, to be honest. I'll dial that back. Yeah, so then we come back to the 1 hour. Again, we're going to want to wait until we can clear this zone. Don't want to be trading in here. But if we can break below here, then could come down into this zone, and that could be a turning point. But then we'll have to remember that the swing structure, the 4 hour swing structure, will be bearish. So this could just be a pullback into high probability level of supply, and then we can look for shorts from there.